Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another easy vegan recipe. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let's hop into it.
Alright, so I'm going to show you how to take this maitake mushroom and turn it into some jerk barbecue. I don't even know what we're going to call it yet. But I'm going to use my flat cast iron pan, put some oil on it, put the mushroom on it, and then I'm going to use my cast iron frying pan to flatten it out. So you just want to put it on top and flatten it down, and look at that. So we want to go ahead and try to flatten it and cook off some of that water that comes from the mushroom. And then we're going to flip this over and do the same thing. Don't worry, we're going to season this baby up, but first we want to cook out some of the water. So next we're going to go ahead and season this up. Today I'm going to be using a steak seasoning, some garlic powder, pepper, black pepper. Am I forgetting anything? Maybe onion powder. Oh no, no onion powder. So yeah, so season it up with whatever you want to season yours with. And then we're going to continue to let this cook on both sides. Now let's get ready to make our jerk barbecue sauce. So you'll need some barbecue sauce. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Jack Daniels in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of that jerk seasoning. And so you want to mix that together and then spread it all over your mushroom. And then you want to pop it in the oven on, y'all know the recipe will be down in the description box down below with, you know, how many degrees and all that. So pop it in the oven, let it cook some more till that barbecue sauce gets baked in. And then we just gonna slice it. Now look, fam, y'all gonna have to help me out with what this should be called. I'm not even sure if it should be called mushroom steak, mushroom chicken breast, mushroom ribs. I'm not even sure. All I know is that it is delicious. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and plate this. I did some garlic, lemon pepper, olive oil, sauteed spinach, and then I also did some red skin potatoes to go with it, and bam, that's all you need right there. This dinner was so delish. So again, the recipe is down in the description box down below. If you want to try this out, you definitely should.
All right, so let me know what you guys think of this recipe down in the comment section down below. It's amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.